Somebody, anybody, everybody, nobody. What's the difference? Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we will learn the difference between somebody, anybody, everybody, and nobody. These are very common words in English conversations, but many learners feel confused about how to use them. Don't worry. Today I will explain the meaning of each word with simple examples so you can use them confidently in daily English. Let's get started. 1. Somebody. Meaning, somebody means a person, but we do not know who the person is, or it is not important to mention who. Examples. Somebody is calling you. I think somebody left the door open. 2. Anybody. Meaning, anybody means any person at all. It is commonly used in questions and negative sentences. Examples. Is anybody at home? Does anybody know the answer? 3. Everybody. Meaning, everybody means all people in a group or all the people we are talking about. Examples. Everybody enjoyed the party. Everybody needs love and support. 4. Nobody. Meaning, nobody means no person / not even one person. Examples. Nobody answered the phone. Nobody knows the truth. Now you know the difference between somebody, anybody, everybody, and nobody. Try to practice these words in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural your English will become. Remember, learning English step by step will help you speak with confidence. Thank you.